Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful early weekend, depending which day you guys are seeing this video. But that means we only have a few days for us to make our selection. That is coming up on this Monday, October 12th. And it has been confirmed that it's the same day for you to make your selection for the premium box. So now that we have those items, I'm going to share them with you guys on this video. So you have an idea what are the choice items for the base box and for the premium box. These items are 3 for the base box. It's going to be a variation of 3. You're going to be able to choose one of these items. They're a little bit different than what we're normally used to, but I'm going to share the information so that way you guys can make your selection once that time comes. So the first one, as you know, I did share in a video. The brands were revealed, and one of those brands was Milk Makeup. This one is called the Kush Waterproof Mascara. And it's rare for us to see a mascara as a choice item, but thinking about it, most of the times we get either mascara, eyeliner, or brow pencil, which I'm not complaining because I always need to stock up on brow pencil. So having these as an item, does that mean that the boxes might be totally the other items are going to look even better? So this is the item, guys. This is the high volume waterproof. Boom, it says this is really high volume. It's going to seal the deal. It's waterproof. It has an intense black formula that's going to lock into lashes for as much free, transfer free, or transfer proof finish. So this looks like a great mascara, and you know we have been seeing this brand a lot for Boxycharm, which I am loving, from Milk Makeup. Guys, we have, once again, we're going to have Benefit Cosmetics come to Boxycharm. This one is a very famous product. This one is Gimme Brow, and it has the volumizing microfibers, and you guys get to see that it's going to give you the volume. And this is like a gel consistency, a fiber gel that's going to volumize your brow. And this product, as you see, retails for $24. It comes in different shades. I am not sure if you're going to be able to select the color for you if you have already purchased this before. But you see that this product is going to volumize, it's going to tame, and it's going to tint your brows for natural looking and buildable. And it's also water resistant and long wearing. So, you know, this is a product that a lot of people like. And I'm glad to see Benefit coming again to Boxycharm. But the third option is from Jeweler. Essential Lip Enhancer. This is a lip enhancer that it looks like it retails for about $17, and this is an ultra rich lip moisturizer that's going to nourish and condition with ingredients like shea butter and jojoba seed oil. So you guys are going to see this coming to the box. This is a third product, and it also has vitamin E, which is great. If you're looking for something to moisturize your lips, this might be your product. So these are the 3 products you're going to be able to choose from. I know we normally see either makeup or skincare. These totally, like, I don't know, I was a little shocked seeing these choices, but thinking about it, we normally see like a lip product, a lip scrub in our boxes. So does that mean that our boxes are going to start looking even much better, since we're already seeing these items that we normally get, and you're able to choose between the lip enhancer, the mascara, or the brow product? So here's what you see for the base box, and so far we see that the box is going to be worth up to $225. So I don't know if you guys remember, I did a video recently sharing with you guys some future spoilers based on some email survey of questions asking us which items we may like to see in the future boxes, and here we were able to see that product there. So now it's confirmed that product is coming to the November base box. Now that we already finished with the base box, let's move on to the premium choice item. I don't know why I put October, guys, never mind that. This is for the November sneak peek, and that's going to be on October 12th as well. We only have 2 products to choose from, and the first one is from Smashbox. When I got this information from the website, it says that it's new. This looks like such a great setting powder, and it has that it's going to be able to control and give you the amount you need every time you flip it around. and it looks like it comes in 2 different shades, so be on the lookout in case we're able to select our shade. This is a photo finish fresh setting powder, and it's going to be a fresh powder that's going to set, mattify, and blur. This one retails for $39, and the color you see in the picture is a translucent, which is great for light to medium skin tone. So the shade is 01, and I am excited to see this setting powder, and it's going to be a product that you're going to be able to choose from. But since it's a variation between one or the other, let's see what the second item is. And the second item is from ilamaskwa Unveil Artistry palette. This price is not from here, as you see, but look at this palette. The shape of this palette, it's a little bit different in the corners. These colors are so pretty, they're so soft, and I love that you get the same colors from matte, and then you get most of those in shimmer as well. Those are the names. Here are some swatches that I found in their website, and this looks like a great palette. So you're going to be able to choose between the setting powder or the palette itself. And here are the 2 products. Look at the design of that palette, so pretty. And now we know that for the premium box for the month of November, the value is going to be worth up to $270. So yes, guys, we have some great products there to choose from. And once again, once I shared with you guys recently, not so long ago, a survey. We had these items as well, A and B, and I don't know what people were selecting as their item, because now we got both of them. And in here now we have the price for $50 for the palette, and then $39 for the setting powder. So that's what we have so far for base and premium for the month of November. All those are choice products. But now I want to mention something that is not confirmed, and this is the Natasha Denona. I'm going to show you 3 different videos within 2 days. They continue to show this palette in different TikTok videos or in another video, and we keep seeing this palette. So if it was just one time, I was like, okay, but are they telling us that this is coming maybe for November, because I'm seeing it so often? This is something that's going to be for December. Another thing that I'm interested about is that once we got our premium box last year, and it was the first time they started in November, and that year was the first time we got premium for November, and the Natasha Denona face palette was there. So wonder if this is really coming for November, but I keep seeing in the video, and I just want to bring it out, guys, in case, be in the lookout in case that is coming. Also, we have seen good jeans, and I thought it was going to come in October. It didn't come in October, so now let's see if this product is coming for November. Has not been confirmed yet. And guys, there's a virtual class happening. I don't know if you guys have joined any of those master class, and you get to just sign up, and then you just go ahead in the Zoom. You get to watch a makeup artist create a makeup look using most of the times products that we have received in the box. And we learn from tips that they show us, and then we could just create the makeup that they're doing, or just watch and take notes. There's one coming up, and if you guys are interested, that's coming up. That's gonna come up in a few days. I think that class is going to be on Thursday, so I'm going to put the link below if you guys are interested to join that virtual class. And this is something fun that I kind of created. This is which Boxycharm box matches your birth month, and this is a fun way to go ahead and look throughout the year. All the boxes we have received since January, and the ones for November and December are the ones that we received last year. So guys, which one is your birth month? And it takes us back for us to see some of those variation boxes, and this is what we have received so far this year. So let me know if you guys want to share which one is your birth month, and what did you think of your birth month box. So yeah, I think it was interesting seeing again a lot of these products, and most of these products either I'm still using or I had to stock up again because I really enjoy, like that cherry balm from Pharmacy. I am loving that balm. And yeah, guys, there's a lot of products here that I enjoy. So which one is your birth month? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I wanted to bring all this information since we just have to make a choice, pick those items early in a few days. So thank you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and until the next video. Bye.